Alright guys, so here's this place. And yeah, you'll probably recognize it a little bit. So here's this Trane XB10. It's got a climate tough recip. 2005 3-ton. Oh, and this Trane XB1000 just shut off. This one also has a recip. Oh, that is really ice cold and sweaty. And that's hot. And yeah, here's this Trane XB1000 right here. Big climate tough in there, huge. (2004) 2-ton. I'm not gonna get that on all these. These are mostly from 2005. This also just shut off before I started the video, and wow, we might get startups. All these are shutting off. Just had a bang on shutdown. Yeah, that did not sound good, but I've seen plenty of Trane XB10s do that. Yeah, these are basically like my Tranes, but with Trane, but with recip. Climate tough. Yeah, not gonna get the data on these two probably. Oh. And then GE motor, and they all appear to have the original fan motors on them, so that's nice. And here's this whole row, and it looks like we do have a brand new unit. So here's the Mitsubishi. It's a 1.5 ton. Might be from like 2010. It's probably also for 2005 though. Like all these Tranes are. These two are running. This is shaking. 2007 4-ton. I believe these are not the original fan blades. And oh my word, that is working amazing. Here's one of these off with newer fan blades. Climate tough reset. (2007) 3-ton. Yeah, I believe that to be a brand new carrier Sentry. These two are off. They might have been running. This has not been running. I don't know if these two have. No, these have been off. I'll get the data on a 5-ton again. Yep, 2005 5-ton. And then down there is some Ream Classics. So. Ooh, this was running. Anyway. GE. It might kick on. That one. Yeah, I don't know. I think these places are closed. Oh, nice. There's this one that's rattling. It is extremely high heat load. one has a replacement fan motor. I don't think the bigger ones have been running. Nope. That thing is shaking. Something's shaking. And here's the last three. It's cold. Yeah, these sound awesome. Beautiful. Uh-oh. That's cold. And now we'll go take a look at those units. So yeah. Alright, here's all these Ruuds. There's pretty much nothing left to manufacture. I can try to get the data off the compressor, but we don't have much luck with that. And this was running. Oh, it's a heat pump. Sweet. And here's this newer ream. Or Ruud Cheever, maybe. Ooh, it's making some noises. And here's this brand new carrier Sentry. This replaced a Ruud Ultra. I want to say that has a Copeland Broad Ocean fan motor. And hey, look at that, it's a heat pump. Oh my word, that is very ice cold and sweaty. It's actually not brand new, it's from 2025 and it's a 3-ton. And that's an interesting liquid line. Oh my word. This one might be the next one to go. Look at this. It is vibrating my hand. This is insane. Vibrating the line set and everything. Look at this. Yeah, that's not cooling the greatest. That is burning hot. 2010 5-ton. It's a heat pump. Shaking the capacitor and all that. It's crazy. It actually just shut off. Oh my word, there's like something caught on the fan blades too. It's crazy. Well then, you can just hear those resets humming away. This one's off. Has it even been running? I don't think it has. Oh sweet. Gotta start up. 2011 5-ton. It's already getting cold. Here's a smaller one. (2011) 37,000 BTUs. Alright, so we'll go to see the last of them. But maybe not the last of them, we'll see. Here's another one that sounds very weird. Tells in 6 4-ton. I'll have to come back here in the winter for defrost. And then these last 3 are off. Well, that one on the end is running actually. It's not even been running. Emerson fan motor. This one is very quiet. I think the compressor is running. It is. It's a very quiet compressor that is working great. And I don't think these two have been running, so. Alright. I'm definitely gonna get a picture of some of these Ruuds, and then we'll do the Trane. So, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe. Well, no. I'm gonna see if there's more. Alright, so these will be the last units on film. Just more. Oh, wow. This one has a new blade and motor. That's really interesting. It's been running as a low ambient kit. Okay. Nice. Sweet. And here's this little one. 2005 3-ton. And then these are the last 3. I don't think that one's been running. There we go. That's the last one. 2006 5-ton. This one is a little bit newer. It has also been running. Ooh, it's probably about to kick back on. Anyway, I'm not sticking around for startups though. I'm glad I got that one though. Nice. Alright, thank you all for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.